Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech About Math. I am very in an organizing type of way lately. Last week I talked to you guys about how I organize my digital teacher files. Today I am going to show you exactly how to organize your Google Drive so that it is set up for success, so that you don't have to worry about searching for files and wondering where you saved it to. I'm going to show you exactly how to keep it organized by creating folders, color coding those folders, and things of that nature. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you gotta think about your folders. So we talked about creating different folders. That strategy I use mainly on my desktop stuff. I don't use it here because I kind of have a different use for my Google Drive versus my desktop drive, so it's a little bit different. So basically what you need to know is how to create folders, how to drag things to your folder, how to use the starred feature for the best bet. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a folder. You click New Folder. Same way you would create a document or anything, and you can label that. So I'm going to label it. I have a bunch of labels because this is my business Google Drive, so it has my YouTube, my blog stuff, webinars, things like that. So I'm going to label this one miscellaneous because I have a lot of miscellaneous things here. You'll see here that I have this 5th grade math digital choice board, adding and subtracting fractions file responses. That is part of a TPT product that I have that I was trying out for myself before I sold it. So I'm going to just drag it and it'll go right into that TPT folder. So something that you want to be able to do is just drag all of your stuff. So grades 3 to 5 blogger crew, that's part of my THU crew. So I'm just going to drag it to a folder that I already have made. Module 5 demo, that's part of my online course that I was in the that I sold already. The declutter challenge outline, that's part of my email list, which I don't have an email list folder, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to new folder email marketing. All right. If you want to grab my free checklist, you can sign up for my email today. Again, it's going to ask you if you want to undo it every time, but you don't have to. So again, all you have to do is new folder, and then you can drag anything to the folder. Now, a tip that I've learned from another teacher that I follow on Instagram is if you want certain things at the top, it helps if you number your folders. So email marketing is probably, I don't know, 3rd to what I usually do. So I'm going to number that number 3. I know that blog stuff is always first because my blog platform is my main platform. So I'm going to number it 1, and you'll see it'll be brought to the top. YouTube is 2. So I'm going to find my YouTube folder and I'm going to rename it, and that's going to be 2 because my YouTube is my second biggest platform. Oh, because I have it by last modified. If you sort it by name now, it's at the top. Okay. So that is how I start to organize my Google Drive. Then, if you want to be even fancier, you can color code your, by changing the color. So you're just going to right click. If you're on a Mac, control click, and then you're going to click change color. And then you can change it to color, and the folder changes, which is pretty cool. So you can make it rainbow. I know a lot of teachers love their rainbow everything. So you can go ahead and do that. There you go. So you can make your nice little rainbow so it looks pretty. Again, before you do the change in colors like I just did for all the folders, you might want to number them in the order that you want them to appear first. So again, if you put 1, blog stuff 2, YouTube 3, email. So you can number it by your classes. You can number it by the type of activity. There's a whole bunch of ways you can organize it. So I hope that this video helps you in keeping your Google Drive organized. Check out the video from last week if you want to see how to organize your teacher files so that it'll help you with organizing your Google files the same way. Don't forget to rate, review, subscribe, all of the above. Get on that email list because I send out freebies every so often to my email subscribers, and I would love for you to be a part of that. So don't forget to do that as well. I'll leave links all for you in the description. Thanks for watching.